I noticed that napakaraming ang gaganda ng mga appliances, yung mga accents nung temple dito sa Alabang. Is yung na-mention kasi sa Urdaneta that some of the pieces used to build the Urdaneta temple came from outside the Philippines. Yung gamit po ba natin dito ngayon ay for parang locally acquired? Ganun.
That's a good question. Karamihan hindi. Karamihan are sourced outside of the Philippines because they are available sa labas. For example, yung mga wood, mahogany came from I think in Africa. I think that's where it came from. And some of the other materials are sourced outside. But some are local. Whatever we can use local, we use local. Pero those that are not is sourced outside. But the principle is we try to source and use the best material and the best quality. Because we believe this is the house of the Lord. We give Him the best that we can. So, kaya kung saan man ang galing yun, so kaya galing sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. But we source the best.
Kasi yung design is very local. So you send the design everywhere and just to get the
include the motif na local. Pero yung mga materials kung saan galing, siguro like yung kahoy, alam ko hindi sa atin eh. Kasi siguro mahigpit na ngayon mahirap maghanap ng kahoy dito sa atin locally. Kaya alam ko sa labas. But we try to make it as local looking as possible.
Would you know po kung gaano katagal ginawa tong Alabang Temples?
Halos 5 taon.
5 years.
Kasi nag-break ng ground of 2020. Medyo tumagal dahil sa pandemic. 2020 nagsimula eh. Kaya umabot din na 5 taon.
So parang sabay sila ng Urdaneta na ginagawa?
Okay. Sabay. Although mas matagal pa actually yung Urdaneta.
Okay.
Pero matagal din to dahil nga sa pandemic.
Okay. So after Alabang, ano po yung next?
Susunod,
yes,
Davao.
Davao. Okay.
We're expecting early next year sa Davao naman.
Sa Davao City po?
Davao
mismo?
City.
Davao City. Nice.